Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how ticket data from ConnectWise gets extracted and structured into Google Sheets automatically, ready for AI analysis, RAG ingestion, or building the knowledge base your team actually uses. Ticket data lives locked in the PSA. It's never in a format that's useful for reporting, training AI, or learning from past work. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
As an example of one of the tools that I'm using for many of the ConnectWise clients I have is this integration, which basically just connects a trigger that then pulls information from ConnectWise and appends all that information to a Google Sheet. From the Google Sheet, then I take that information and I'm able to sort and create reports very easily in Excel or Google, or then export that out into various other uses. But it's a way to show that I can connect a PSA tool like ConnectWise and the ticketing system, pull the information together. ConnectWise is a little weird because it takes the ticket header and then the ticket nodes and all that in two separate tables, so I actually pull that information all and merge it before it goes into the Google Sheet. But that's just one sample of information that I can kind of manipulate for an MSP. Thanks very much.
So that's the MSP ticket data extractor in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1ltx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.